Hey, it's Amber, and what are we doing this Saturday on What's on the Grill? We are making a little Mexican treat cut for dinner. Stay tuned and check it out. Okay, so this is a pork taco filling, pretty much pork with everything, seasonings and all that we got from Kavon's mom from the States. Gonna do this and put all that goodies in here, heat it up for a bit, and then you will come back and see what we are doing. Stay tuned. All right, so we got the meat all cooked up. It's cooled down. Got the cast iron, and now oil in the cast iron. Do a nice layer in that. That should be good. Like an inch or half an inch of oil in the cast iron. We'll turn this on medium. And then I'll heat up the tortillas, fill them with cheese and the meat, and fry them. Stay tuned to watch that. Alright, got a bag of the tortillas. Gonna heat them up. Don't mind that. Heat them up in the microwave for 10 seconds. Well, let's do 15 actually. And then I will show you how I fill them. And then fry them. Stay tuned. So here you go. When it's nice and warm, get it out. Get a spoonful of your meat. Make sure it's nice line. About that. That's good. A little bit of cheese. Alright. And then you roll it. Like that. Alright. And then you get a toothpick. And you just stick it through. Like that. Alright. And then I'll do some more. And I will come back when I start frying them. Stay tuned. Alright, put the first 4 in. Nice hot oil. Let them cook a couple minutes on each side. Oh yeah, look at that. I put toothpicks in to keep them the right way. Oh yeah. Want to be good. Stay tuned. Right, on the last ones, just put the rice in the microwave. I'm going to put it in again for just a little bit. I'll do 45 seconds. Got the chips. Got most of them. We got cheese, salsa, nacho cheese, sour cream, guacamole, and limes, onions. We got taco sauce and sriracha. Stay tuned and watch when we plate it and eat.
Brew here.
And there's Brew.
I can't wait for dinner.
So I got it. I got my Tostitos or whatever it's called. Some rice, some chips with salsa and everything. Some limes, homemade guacamole, sour cream, salsa. Thank you. And yeah, that's our little kind of Mexican dinner with bush ice, 6%. Hey, try something different. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of this with some guac, and it's a pork taco mix that Kavon's mom brought from the States. Thumbs up. So good. Oh yeah. And everyone else is saying it's so good. Try something different.